Hey guys, we got this lightweight retractable dog leash set for test and try. So this is a leash with the cat leads, the 10 feet flexi leashes for small dogs, cats, puppy, walking and anything. So you can see like comes in a normal packing and it's a really nice lightweight and very nice design like a whale fish, and it's very easy and smooth to take this out and in. There is a button as well to control, so it's a high quality clip here as you can see, so which can hold it well. And also this is the retractable thing. So the leash length is around 9.8 feet, and it can hold a pet of around 26 lbs. So as I said, like this is a really lightweight, and you can use this to stop that leash thing. And is the product dimension is around 5.7 by 4.1, 1.3. So very nice leash.